Hello! Today we're going to talk about flipping your classroom. There are many different ways and different apps and different things that you can do to flip your classroom, and I'm just going to talk to you about one that I know, and that's EduCreations. It's an app that you can get to make video lessons that you can show your students. So, let's get started. My name is David Young. Number one, the very first thing that you have to do is you have to install the EduCreations app onto your iPad from the App Store. Number two, you need to go to the little gear in the bottom left corner once you get onto that app, and that's going to take you to Settings. When you're in Settings, you need to go to the Login Sign Up part. You need to click on that part. You're going to go down to the bottom of that next little window. It says Create Account. You're going to click on Teacher, which is the blue button there. And you're going to get yourself all set up, putting your name, your email, and your password in there, and you're going to click Create Account. And really, at that point, you're ready to start creating. So I'll give you some idea of the basics about how this works. There we go. This is sort of what the screen looks like, and I've written a bunch of things below the top screen that you'll see once you get started, with all the different things that you can do. And I'm just going to draw arrows to the different things that you can do here so you have an idea about where they all are. Okay, so first, let's take a look at color options. So the color options are kind of right below those series of circles there that are colored. You have your eraser, okay, which is right up there. It'll be blue when you click it, and then you need to click back on the little pencil to draw again. Okay. To add images, you can go to this little plus sign over here, okay, and then I'll have a little drop down. I'll give you an option to either take a picture or put on a picture from your camera roll. You can undo and redo anything with these little arrows up here. The redo is right next to it. When you want to change the background, say you're doing math, or you want to write on, make it look like it's lined paper, and you're going to go up to this part right here, and it'll give you a drop down with some options. If you want to duplicate the page, the exact same page that you're on, either with or without the ink that you've put on there, you go to this guy up here. Okay. And when you are ready to record audio, you go up to this little microphone red circle up here and click that, and you'll start recording. And you can also pause. You'll be able to pause from there as well. When you're done, you can preview it first, okay? And that's right over here. It's the play button. Okay? And then you'll get a little screen that will come up at the bottom, and you can trim things that you don't like and redo it. And we can talk a little bit more about that in detail once you start creating your own. And then at the end, when you're done, or if you want to save a draft, okay, you can hit save, which is the little share icon up here. And I'll give you the option, once you've recorded some audio, it'll give you the option to save it as a draft or save it as a finished video. Quick word of warning, if you save it as a finished video, you're done. You can't go back and edit it anymore. Okay, so that's just a little word of warning for you. So those are the basics. I think that that's enough to get started. You have the basic idea. It's time for you to create your own tutorials. Okay, flip your classroom. Thanks a lot for viewing, and let's get started.